Do you throw away batteries just because you think they're going bad? This is the KKeanic battery tester, and it's basically a universal tester. It will tell you very clearly what you have, whether it's good or bad. Comes with a little instruction book. The LED screen here shows poor, weak, good, and then it'll also show the voltage. So this one is at 3.13 and it's good. So this CR2032, which is like we all use this is a battery I just took out of a drawer. This part slides over, throw it in there, and it says 1.56 volts and its strength is all the way to good. I'll try that again for this AAA. 1.5, and it's not perfect. It keeps bouncing between perfect and good. Really good, easy test. So here is a 3-volt lithium. We can put it over here and see 3.17, and it's all the way to good. And then another common one is our 9-volt. And we got to find the positive and the negative, and you got positive, negative here. Do that again. Okay, so this one's it's a 9-volt, and it's sitting between 9 and 8.9. This is a super simple tool. I really like it so far. I mean, that clearly tells me what I've got. This tool works with everything: AA's, AAA's, C's, D's, 9 volts. You saw me do a 3-volt, the button batteries. It does the 1.5-volt button battery as well. I'm really impressed. It's got the little guide on the back. I don't know, it's pretty awesome. It's small and it'll fit, you know, in your kitchen drawer. And honestly, it's just a really good way of determining whether or not the battery needs to be recycled or not. Haha, and probably a fringe benefit only for me. I just figured out it fits right in my case.